Start by removing the back. Use a flat-bladed screwdriver or a spudger, like this one. Insert it into the notch in the top left corner and pry the corner up. Then pop out the back, all the way around. Be careful not to break anything. To insert the SIM card, slide it into the slot in the bottom left corner. Taking care to ensure that it is contacts down and corner notch first. Now take the battery. Make sure it is the right way round, with the contacts in the top right corner. Slide it under the corner tabs and push it down. Finally, replace the back. Push it down, all the way around, until you hear the pops as it closes.